everyone! Welcome to my art studio. It's an honor for Mama to show you how to draw something chicka chicka boom boom. Like hundreds more, Marvelouz remembers the animated version of this when he was a kid. He used a monitor. I'm gonna show you how to draw a told B and be told C. Follow MarvelouzTube's drawings. How did it go? Not so difficult, was it? Now, unleash your creativity with the Cooking Mama coloring book. Get ready for Marvelouz's newest show, Chicka Chicka Alphabet Show, August 11th. Bye!